We will now do the eye exercises. The benefits are, this exercise helps us to correct the defective eyesight by toning up the muscles around the eyes. It prevents eye strain, itching and other eye diseases. By continuous practice, one can reduce the use of spectacles. Sit comfortably in the kneeling posture, Vajrasana, or in Sukhasana, and clasp hands with the thumbs together and upright. Raise the clasped hands to a level slightly lower than the eyes and keep the elbows slightly bent. Focus the sight on the thumbnails. Keep this posture throughout the eye exercise. Swing the hands horizontally to the right and left. The eyes should move from left to the extreme right and from there back to the extreme left. Give a slight swing of the head to follow the hands, but the head should not be turned fully. The movement should be semicircular. Do this exercise 5 times. In the same posture, with the eyes fixed on the thumbnails, keep your hands on your lap. Lift the hands vertically upwards as far as possible and bring them down to the lap, swinging the eyes up and down along with the hands. The eyes should move in unison with the up and down movement of the hands. You may move your head slightly, but should not turn up or down totally. Do this exercise 5 times. To remember the above 2 exercises, keep in mind the plus sign, the horizontal sign followed by the vertical line, horizontal line followed by the vertical line. Sitting in the same posture, keep your hands near the outside of your left thigh. Move the hands up and down diagonally, starting from the left lower corner to the right upper corner. Then bring your hands back to the starting point outside the left thigh, with the eyes fixed on the thumbnails. Your neck will turn slightly. Do this exercise 5 times. Sitting in the same posture, keep your hands near your right thigh. The eyes should remain focused on the thumbnails. Move the hands up and down diagonally, starting from the right lower corner, the thigh, to the left upper corner, the shoulder. Then bring your hands back to the outside of the right thigh, with the eyes fixed on the thumbnails. All the above movements should be semicircular. Do this exercise 5 times. To remember the above 2 exercises, keep in mind the multiplication symbol. Posture 5. In the same posture, with the eyes fixed on the thumbnails, keep your hands on your lap. Slowly move the hands and arms in a big circle in clockwise direction. Stretch your arms as much as possible to form a big circle. The eyes should move freely, following the direction of the thumb. Move your head slightly with the rotation. Do this exercise 5 times. Repeat the above in anti-clockwise direction. Do this exercise 5 times. Draw the hands close to the eyes at a distance of 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters from the nose tip by bending the elbows. Then extend the hands away from the eyes, fully straightening the arms. Then bring your hands back close to your nose tip by bending the elbows. Repeat this to and fro movement 5 times, all the while keeping the eyes on the thumbnails. Palming, eye relaxation. After completing the eye exercises, practice palming your eyes. Lightly cover your closed left eye with your left palm and your closed right eye with your right palm. Fingers of the left hand should touch the center of the forehead, and the fingers of the right hand should be placed over the left hand fingers. Relax like this for full 1 minute.